The smart manufacturing revolution has touched every aspect of daily manufacturing processes. However, smart manufacturing requires the introduction of new systems and the transformation of many old ones. The Mendix low-code platform is the quickest and easiest way to bring together new and legacy processes into a unified, smoothly operating ecosystem. Using Mendix to connect technologies, data, processes, tasks, and human interactions from the shop floor to across entire supply chains. While new technologies can pose a challenge to those who lack IT experience, Mendix's low-code integrates your entire workforce into the ecosystem, regardless of their development experience, empowering workers to create the apps needed to accomplish tasks. Compared to traditional application development platforms, Mendix helps your workforce create apps 10 times faster and with 70% fewer resources. Realization of smart manufacturing initiatives hinges on successful change management, while fostering the conditions for true engagement, continuous innovation, and a connected value chain. True engagement is critical for organizations in their digital transformation journey. By putting Mendix's simple, intuitive tools into the hands of workers, your manufacturing workforce gets a better view of the effect they're having and begins to collaborate in ways they never have previously. Continuous innovation is made possible by applications that don't require extensive code knowledge and hours of manual programming. Mendix lets workers experiment and reimagine systems to find the best solutions to meet customer demands. The Mendix platform creates a connected value chain by tying together the core systems that support smart manufacturing, keeping your value chain unbroken from strategy to planning, from design to supply chain management. Many manufacturers adopt smart manufacturing at one plant, but find they are back to square one at others. Mendix low-code makes it easy to scale processes throughout your entire enterprise and adapt to each plant's unique variables. Contact Mendix to learn more about how we can help you achieve the full potential of your smart manufacturing initiatives. Mendix, reimagining manufacturing.